और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Sorkar Assam telah menjur Pyntreikam no di Kyndon dan iga standard operating procedure nagbenta penkelai ke Jaka puta nagi beri kebadan nak kuwe kenyam syakwe pan. Umintirang ba ka Assam uhimenta beswasar mauluang bekum kita ke jing penkela hak banyak syualing ba ka sorkar. Uhimenta uluang ba ka sorkar kan hapet banyak bah ya ke Jingdie Jaka leni penkela nak kuwe ke kerteng beri syakwe pan namar ba ka sorkar kan hak ban pet banyak ru yo nong thiet na ika pisa jo kawan ka jingwan thiet Jaka jong u kan kata na em bigino Shnong jong ata ka Shnong ba ka don jingma na em nak benta kari. Hari mi officer ka dapat banle ka badan kam uluang ba ka hak ban poi secara special branch jong ki pulet ban pet biang sa sisin. Ka sorkar kala shimi ka Trai namar ba ka jor pha ka Jingdie Jaka ba ka jing penkelai ki Jaka na kerteng ki Trai Shnong sa kerteng ki break buwan rong bean ha Assam. Nalo ka tawlo ang ru bagidin ki seng 3 months ngob ha ki wana ba jong ka Assam ki buwan wa Jaka menseng iki slam puli ni ki slam ajing arab iki briu ba ki niru ulo ang bahap ban pet binya bah. Kebakam pelet jingmut bah ka sorkar kalong iki Jingdie ye thiet Jaka apreng ki briu ki bedai na kuwe kenyam syakwe pat kenyam.
Today, State Cabinet has approved a SOP for inter-religion land transfer. In a sensitive state like Assam, the transfer of land between two religious groups need to be handled very, very carefully. So, all such land transfer proposal will now come to the government. Government will scrutinize each and every proposal through our special branch. Basically, we look it at whether source, what is the source of the fund, whether it has been reflected in the tax return or not, whether that kind of sale will affect the social fabrics of that particular locality, whether if any local people has objection, whether that has been addressed properly or not, and finally, if there is any national security angle involved in in certain cases. So all these will be examined, and thereafter we will inform Deputy Commissioner whether he should allow the transfer of land or not. Accordingly, DC will take the final decision.
NGOs from outside the
we are also observe the same procedure where NGO from outside Assam sought to seek to procure land in Assam and basically to establish educational and health institute, etc. All such proposal will be examined from the national security angle. Only thereafter land sale permission will be allowed. However, for local NGO which are known for their contribution, no such procedure need to be followed.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang bala Kyndon kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkela ya ka ne ka umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka kya pat kamaryang ru kan kta syo.